Hey everyone, welcome back to AVS DigiZone. And today I've got something super exciting for you. Are you ready to transform your online business and start making profits faster and easier than ever before? Well, you're in luck. We've just released a free report that reveals the power of integration marketing. This game-changing strategy is used by giants like Nike and Google. And guess what? You can use it too. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur looking to scale, integration marketing is your secret weapon. It's all about combining different marketing channels and strategies to create a seamless and powerful impact. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some real-life examples. Companies like GoDaddy have mastered this technique, and you can too. Imagine doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling your sales just by following their lead. Small business owner Adarsh's testimony: integration marketing has been a game changer for us. We've seen incredible growth and customer engagement since we started implementing these strategies. That's right. And the best part? We've got a step-by-step strategy for you to follow. It's a surefire win-win with your integration partner. Plus, we'll show you how to find the perfect integration marketing partners. These are the people who can take your business to the next level. And here's the kicker. Our free report is packed with tactics that work in any scenario. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something in here for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, fill in your first name and primary email address, and get instant access to this game-changing report. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your online business. Remember, the key to success is taking action. So go ahead and grab your free report now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AV's DigiZone for more tips and strategies to grow your business. Until next time, keep crushing it.